with such a huge amount. And this is just 125 million. We're not even talking about the 37 million that was withdrawn from the DepEd. So for me, Mr. Chair, this is unacceptable.
Mr. Chair,
Congressman
I just would like
Abante.
to ask a question to the Land Bank, no? In relation to the question of Congressman J.J. Suarez.
Mr. Chair, very
Mr.
quick,
Baya?
one interjection lang. May pagpatuloy lang. Very quick interjection. Can be just one answer. Kanina kasi nagtanong tayo dun
Yes,
sa lalagyan.
Congressman Garin.
Yeah. Mr. Chair, hindi ko lang po natapos yung tanong ko. Kay Ma'am Camposano, Ma'am, yung sa 37.5 million, ano po ito? Ano pong linagyan?
2 bags, ma'am. Two big bags.
Anong klaseng bag po?
Parang ganun din po. Parang mga gym bags din.
So,
or-
gym bags. So, 37.5, ang laman ng bawat isa is more or a little less than 20 million each.